So this is a number 6 alumina cup. This is the collet body that holds it, 4 holes cross drilled. This is like, if you believe anything you see on the internet, I mean, I feel sorry for you, but if you do believe everything you see on the internet, this number 6 or number 5 is the go-to setup to weld aluminum. Well, is it good? Is it bad? Is it awesome? Let's test this and let's see why maybe you need some of this kind of fanciness here going on with these glass cups. So what is really the deal? Are they really any better? What do you need them for? Why would you want one of them? So let's put our standard, the gold standard of aluminum welding, the number 6 cup in here, and let's do some testing. So somebody says, stick it out 2 times the diameter of the tungsten to weld. Now, well, then it's hard to feed anything or see anything, but here we are. And let's see why people say this, and let's see if we can find a way to make the gas flow out of here visible. So you see it comes out much like out of a jet engine, all fluttery and weird, and the perfect gas coverage is really inside the cup. As soon as it goes outside, there's turbulences and stuff just doesn't work well. Now let's see if using the same number 6 cup, same diameter, same opening, if that makes any difference with this here. So same tungsten, same collet, same back cap, same torch, and let's see what it looks like, the gas that comes out of here. A nice clean laminar flow, about 2 inches coming out. Now, if nobody opens the shop door and you don't have a fan blowing on your stuff, I can see why you really can extend your tungsten out 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and still get good results welding. So now, if this is what you can do on aluminum, let's see what you can do on stainless. To change this cup, just simply take the glass off, leave the adapter on the torch, and install a number 12, let's say. Same thing here, very impressive. And if you weld titanium and you need like a number 21, 23, this one is a 21. Edge makes them all the way up to a 29, and it totally eliminates the need for trailing shields, so they claim, and you'll see why in a minute. A solid cylindrical column, laminar flow, perfect coverage. This is exactly what you want when you weld reactive metals. So I do think that something like this definitely should have a place in every welder's arsenal. And then for those jobs that are kind of specific, you can get those with a rectangular opening and your gas flow will be rectangular. Or in hard to reach areas, you can use a really long stick out, bring your tungsten all the way out, go in hard to reach areas, and even from here extend it another 3/4 inch past the cup. So now it's time for you to try this out.